let me open one of the documents we opened earlier on and show us some other things that we have not looked at in this tutorial. Now I have this text. Now how do I do my page setup? Okay, so let me show you how you can do your page layout. Click on page layout and then select your orientation. That is number 1. Click on orientation. Now you can have your document either as portrait or landscape, and the way your document will look is depicted in the diagram you are seeing. For instance, if you are making something like a table that is a bit long, you will want your document to be in landscape and not in portrait. So if you click on landscape, okay, can you see my document changes to landscape? Can you see how it is? If I go back to my orientation and click on portrait, my document changes back to portrait. Now the next thing I also want to show you is you can do your page setup. Click on page setup. Now your top margin, let me do that again. Your top margin is the margin from here, from this point to this point. This is my left margin from here to here. This is my right margin from here to here, and then this is my bottom margin from here to this point. So if you need to make any adjustments to your margins, you can just go to your page setup, click on page setup, top margin, you can increase it or decrease it. A preview is being shown below as you are working. The left margin is, you can also increase or decrease your left margin. Once you are done with your adjustments, you can click on OK. Sometimes you are typing your document and you want to save yourself. You don't want it to go maybe more than one page. You can make some adjustments using your margin. For instance, you can even just come here, click and drag your top margin up a little bit without going to the page setup. Okay, you can do that for the right and the left too. If you if you have a particular piece of writing that you just want to squeeze everything into one page, you know, when you adjust your margins you get more space. So that is basically how you work with your margins in Microsoft Word as well.